Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to make an image move in Canva. So you have a few different options here. So you have like basic animation tools. So I can click onto the image and animate the whole image. So get the image to move by clicking on one of those. If you just want part of the image to move, so like say you want this cat to move, this is how you do it. So make sure you click on the image so it is selected, click on edit, then we're going to click on see all. We're going to use the magic grab tool. So this is where I can separate one part of the photo, like this cat, from the background. So I'm going to click on the cat, click on grab, and Canva will do its magic, and that cat will be separated from the background, like you can see. So now I can make the cat move by clicking onto the cat, clicking animate, and doing different things like making him tumble in. You can make him zoom in, you can make him rise up from the bottom, you can get him to pulse, you can get him to wiggle. There are all different things you can do. So that's it. That's how to get an image to move in Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.